Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful love cord for mask adapter. This pattern is so easy and it is made of chain and treble crochet. So through this video we're not going to be learning how to crochet this beautiful love cord, but we're also going to be practicing treble crochet stitches. So now let's get started. To make this adapter, you need to have yarns, a crochet hook, 2 buttons, a tapestry needles, and a pair of scissors. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 1 treble crochet in chain 1. Chain 3 and make 6 incomplete treble crochet cluster in this space. Six incomplete treble crochet cluster is ready. There are 7 loops in the hook. To complete this stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through each loop. Leave 2 loops on the hook, turn the work and make 6 more incomplete treble crochet cluster in the same space. Then grab the yarns and pull it through each loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grab the yarn again and pull through all loops. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and make 1 treble crochet in this space. Complete the treble crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 6 incomplete treble crochet cluster in this space. 1, 2, keep going on. Six incomplete treble crochet cluster is ready. Now grab the yarn and pull it through each loop for 6 times. And leave 2 loops in the hook, then turn the work and make another 6 incomplete treble crochet in the same stitch. Six incomplete treble crochet cluster is ready. Then grab the yarn, pull through each loops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and grab the yarn again to complete the stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, and make 1 treble crochet in this space. Chain 3 again to make another love pattern. 3 and make 6 incomplete treble crochet in this space. There are 7 loops in the hook, then grab the yarn and pull it through each loop. Leave the last loop in the hook, then turn the work and make 6 incomplete triple crochet clustered in the same space. Now grab the yarn and pull it through each loop to complete this pattern. What it looks like. Repeat the pattern to get more lock cord until you get the desired length. I made 7 lock cord for this mask adapter and I completed with 16 chain at the end of this. Make a slip stitch in this space, then cut the yarn. Finally, sew on the button. Cut the yarn. And this beautiful love cord pattern for mask adapter is ready. Well everybody, thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe.